Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. This is the first episode in my Coreldraw tools series, and today we'll be exploring the shape tool, which is one of the most powerful tools in Coreldraw. So if you're interested, stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's dive right in. The Shape tool in Coreldraw allows you to edit the shape and structure of objects, curves, and text by manipulating their nodes and control handles. You can select a shape or draw one using the Pen tool. Then go to the Shape tool under Toolbox to click on it. You will notice small squares or circles called nodes along the edges. So you drag to reshape the object. Double-click on the line to create a new node, and double-click on a node to remove it. So here I'm trying to refine this shape. Clicking and dragging on a curve, not the node, allows you to adjust the curvature. So you can increase or reduce the nodes by double clicking. For this rectangle, you can round the corners by dragging the corner nodes in, and yes, using the Shape tool. Hold Shift down to round just one corner, and you can do the same for Ellipse tool. You can adjust the start and end angles to create pie or arc shapes, and for star or pentagon shape, you can drag it in and also increase the number of nodes. And you can trim a picture using the Shape tool. It's just the same as editing a shape. You manipulate the nodes, trim out the edges, and you can right click on a node or the curve to convert it to curve or to line. Right here it's on line, so I'm going to convert it to curve. So it's basically click and dragging. I'm going to slow it down for you to see properly. For text, you can adjust the spacing between letters, which is called kerning, and you can also move individual characters if you want to. You can also use some other tools under the shape tool, like the smudge tool for things like this. Here I drew an object with the pen tool and reshaping it and adjusting it with the shape tool. These are basically what you can do with the shape tool. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you so much for staying till the end. Don't forget to like and leave a comment. And if you're new here, hit the subscribe button for more video tutorials like this. And I will see you guys in my next video.